Class 8 Mathematics Chapter 1 Rational Numbers Exercise 1.1. Before going into exercise, let me explain what is called a rational number. A rational number can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where Q not equal to 0. All fractions are rational numbers, but all rational numbers are not fractions, because in fractions we talk about the ratio, therefore it will be a positive one, whereas in rational numbers there will be both positive and negative. Say for example, minus 3 upon 5 is a rational number, 3 upon 5 is a rational number. And you take for example whole number 5 upon 1, that is 5, that is also a rational number. Now the first question comes in the next slide. The first question is using appropriate properties find. In that first one, minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 upon 6. And here is the solution. So when you see this question, there are three parts. See here, minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 upon 6. So minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 is the first part, and the second part is 5 plus 5 by 2, and the third part is minus 3 by 5 into 1 upon 6. So here I am using commutativity property, that means rearranging the digits, so that from the first part and the last part we can take 3 by 5 common. So in order to take 3 by 5 common, I use commutativity property. So in the next step, minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5, that is first part, then minus 3 by 5 into 1 upon 6, that is third part, and the middle part, that is plus 5 by 2. So like this we rearrange the digits and we can write in this way. Now next step is from first two we take 3 by 5 common. So 3 by 5 here, then in bracket the remaining minus 2 by 3 you put here, then here minus you put here, and from the remaining part, means from the remaining of the second one, that is 1 upon 6 here. So minus 2 by 3 minus 1 upon 6, close the bracket, then plus 5 by 2. Now in the next step, 3 by 5, here we use the LCM. For 3 and 6, the LCM is 6. So in the numerator it becomes minus 2 into 2, that becomes minus 4, and minus 1, because already 6 is already in the denominator. Now plus 5 by 2. So in the next step, 3 upon 5, while solving this, minus 4 and minus 1 becomes minus 5, so minus 5 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2. And in the next step we do the multiplication here, that is 3 into minus 5 becomes minus 15 upon 5 into 6, that is 30. So minus 15 upon 30 plus 5 by 2. And in the next step, minus 15 upon 30, when you write it in the lowest form, it becomes minus 1 upon 2 plus 5 by 2. That becomes 4 upon 2 when you solve. Now 4 upon 2 becomes 2. So that is the answer for this question. Now the second question comes in the next slide. The second question is 2 upon 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 upon 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5. So here the solution, 2 upon 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 upon 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5. Now in the here also we have three parts, 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 first part, then minus 1 upon 6 into 3 by 2 second part, then plus 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5 the third part. So by using the commutativity property we rearrange the digits. So 2 upon 5 into minus 3 by 7, that is first part. Then we write the last part, that is plus 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5. Then we take minus this one and write the third middle part, 1 upon 6 into 3 upon 2. Now in the next step, from the first two we take 2 upon 5 common. So 2 upon 5 into, in bracket, the remaining of the first part minus 3 upon 7 plus the remaining of the second part, that is 1 upon 14 minus 3 upon 12. Then the next step is 2 by 5 into, in 7 and 14 we have the LCM 14. So minus 3 upon 7 becomes 3 into minus 3 into 2 becomes minus 6 plus 1 upon 14, because that it has the denominator 14 already. So minus 6 plus 1 upon 14, bracket is closed, then minus this 3 by 12 has the lowest form 1 upon 4. So minus 1 upon 4. Now 2 upon 5 into bracket minus 6 plus 1 upon 14 minus 1 upon 4. Now 2 upon 5 into, when we solve this, minus 6 plus 1 becomes minus 5. So 2 upon 5 into minus 5 upon 14, then minus 1 upon 4. So 2 by 5 into minus 5 by 14 minus 1 upon 4. Now in this 2 we multiply the numerator and the denominator. So 2 into minus 5 becomes minus 10, 5 into 14 becomes 70. So minus 10 upon 70, then minus 1 upon 4. Now minus 10 upon 70 has the lowest form, minus 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 4. So here for 7 and 4 the LCM is 28. So minus 1 upon 7 becomes minus 1 into 4, that is minus 4, then minus 1 upon 4. For having the denominator 28, we have to multiply by 7. So 1 into 7 is 7. So minus 4 minus 7 upon 28. Now when we solve the numerator, minus 4 minus 7 becomes minus 11. Therefore minus 11 upon 28 is the answer for this question.